Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to your guide on mastering defense in 2K. Playing solid defense is crucial for winning games and stopping your opponents. First, it is essential to understand your defensive assignments for every player on the court. Use the right stick for precise on-ball defense, allowing you to contest shots and mirror movements effectively. Always anticipate your opponent's next move, whether it is a pass or a drive. Maintaining proper spacing is key to preventing easy scores and forcing tough shots. Mastering on-ball defense requires precision and patience. Hold down the L2 or LT button to stay locked onto your opponent, mirroring their movements. Use the right stick for quick hand contests, challenging shots without fouling. It is vital to avoid overcommitting to steals or blocks, as this often leaves you out of position. Try to force your opponent to their weaker hand or away from their preferred scoring spots. Remember, patience is a virtue. Do not fall for pump fakes. Off-ball defense is just as important as on-ball defense. Position yourself in passing lanes to intercept the ball and generate turnovers. Always be ready to help your teammates by rotating to cover open players, especially after screens or drives. Boxing out opponents is crucial for securing defensive rebounds and ending possessions. Pay attention to screen setters and be prepared to switch assignments with your AI teammates to maintain strong coverage. Effective communication, even with AI, is key. For advanced defense, customize your defensive settings to counter your opponent's strengths. Consider using a full-court press or zone defenses strategically to disrupt their offense, but be mindful of their weaknesses. Trapping ball handlers in the corners or along the sidelines can force turnovers and bad shots. Consistent practice of defensive drills will significantly improve your reaction time and overall defensive prowess. Finally, understanding player badges and their impact on defense will give you a significant advantage on the court.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.